morning, guys, and this is again Michael or Mike. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. As usual, this would only take at least 2 to 3 minutes. Anyway, let's get started. Make sure that you are logged into the Facebook that is associated with the page that you have created. If you don't have the list, all you have to do is to just search for it. Mine, though, is Advent Moto. This Advent Moto is associated with this Facebook account, Kenshin, and I want to delete it because this Advent Moto is being used by other vloggers. Because this Advent Moto is associated as well to my YouTube account. So what I'm going to do is to open this up, and once you're in this page, all I have to do is to click on settings right here on top, and then go to remove page, which is delete your page. Click on edit. There you go. You have the link to permanently delete Advent Moto. So all I have to do is to click on permanently delete, hit OK. That is it. Alright, that is it for our today's tutorial. Very quick tutorial. And thank you so much, guys, for watching again. This has been Mike, and thank you so much for staying with me. I will see you on the next video.